Hi friends, we're here today, day of install, and a lot of homeowners are asking, what's it going to be like the day my new roof is installed? As you can probably hear, there's sounds of people walking, there's sounds of scraping going on. At some point you're going to have nail guns out there. It's going to be a very loud, disruptive day. If you're a work-at-home person, or you sleep during the day, or you just simply want to be productive during this day, it's a good day to just take the day off, take off for the day. Get out of the house, go explore, take the family out. If you have a pet that's extremely sensitive to sounds, noises, whatever it may be, please take the time, find a place to board them, take them out for the day, whatever it may be, depending on the size of the project. It might be a day or two. Sorry for the disruption, but it is what it is. It has to get done. And this is what you're going to hear. It's scraping, it's walking, it's pounding, it's hammering. There's going to be a lot of noise, a lot of disruption, and that's what you can expect. So any other questions, please feel free to reach out. We always love answering your questions. happyhomeroofs.com. Thank you.